How to transfer Google Photos to another account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, simply tap on the source icon. Now tap on the source bar and search for Google Photos. Now once you type Google Photos, simply tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Google Photos. Now if any update available, simply tap on the update button. Now once you update the application, go to open. Now wait for some time. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now select the photos you want to share. Simply tap on the photos and keep holding for a second. Now select the photos. Now once you select the photo, tap on the share button. Now tap on send in. Now click on send in photos. Now tap on search by name and enter the email address. Now once you enter the email address, simply tap on the mail address. Now tap on next. Now write a caption or something and click on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.